Hello students, today we will study class 8th geography chapter number 2 land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. So previously we have discussed about soil and factors of soil formation. Okay, means in previous class we have discussed about soil and factors of soil formation. Today we are going to read about degradation of soil and conservation measures. Okay, so in this topic we will discuss today mulching, contour barriers, terrace farming, intercropping, contour plowing, and last one is shelter belts. Okay, so today we will understand about these topics. So first is mulching. Mulching means what? Mulching means covering with grass, with grass, hay, straw. Okay, so especially bare ground, bare ground between plants is covered with a layer of organic matter like straw. Okay, you can see here that the bare ground is covered with straw or hay. Okay, hay means what? Dry grass. Okay, so sometimes dry grass is used and sometimes green grass is also used. Okay, so it is covered with grass or straw. So why this is done? It is helping to retain the soil moisture. Okay, means it keeps the soil moisture. Next topic is contour barriers. Okay, contour means what? Border or outline. Okay, so barriers are made on the border of. You can see here in the figure. Borders are made. It is outline border. Okay, and these borders are just like a bund. Okay, you have read in 6th class bund. Okay, so bund is made and just after bund one ditch is made. Okay, that is called trench. Okay, so it is made in front of the barrier to collect water. Okay, means when rain is there, when it is raining, so it is collecting the water. Clear? Next is terrace farming. Okay, terrace farming is done in hillside areas. Okay, so in hillside areas, in this way, partitions are made for the ground or field. Okay, and it is done. So in sloppy areas, and crops are shown. Crops are soon there, or trees are planted. Okay, and in this way it is made, and here in this part farming is done. Okay, so one step, two step, three step, just like ladder like field is means ladder like farms are found there. Okay, so in the field it is made there, and farmers are sowing the crop and they are growing the crops there. Okay, so ladder like farming is done. It is called terrace farming. Okay, next is intercropping. What is intercropping? Intercropping intercropping means after one crop, there after one crop changes are made in sowing the crop. Okay, means you can say at different times different crops are shown, and it is you can say it is adopted alternative methods. Okay, means alternative methods are adopted. Suppose that if pulses are grown there, so another time rice or wheat is grown there, and after some time vegetables are grown. So in this way, alternate methods are adopted, that is called intercropping, that is binding the soil. Okay, and it is retaining the soil fertility. Okay, so all these methods are adopted to reduce the surface runoff. Okay, next is contour planning. Okay, contour planning. What is contour planning? Contour, I have told you that borders, okay, are outlined. So plowing parallel to the contour of a hill slope, okay, to form a natural barrier for water to flow down on the slope. Okay, so it is made there, contour planning. So always it is made in hill slopey areas. Okay, so in this way it is made, but some figure is some different. Okay, so in hilly areas it is done. Suppose that it is hilly area, so it is divided, and so in this way farming is done. Okay, and on the borders plowing is done here. Okay, so this is done when it rains there, so it is protecting the soil. Okay, means it is not becoming runoff. Okay, so when rain is there on the upper side, so very less um, soil is runoff, and then it is protecting here, and it is gathered here. Okay, so that it is making contours here, means borders are made there. Okay, and here crops are grown. So it is just like, it is working just like a barrier. Okay, means it is just like a barrier. Okay, next.